Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best bead bracelet kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative gifts you can give. These kits are a fantastic way to encourage creativity and enhance fine motor skills, offering hours of fun for girls. With a variety of colorful beads and stringing materials, these kits allow kids to design and create their own unique bracelets, fostering a sense of accomplishment and personal expression. Number 5. Just My Style ABC Beads Kit. With this kit, you can create over 40 personalized accessories. It includes everything you need to make beaded macrame bracelets, keychains, and more. It's a fun way to express yourself. The kit comes with over 1,000 beads and charms. You can mix and match them on different cords to create unique jewelry and accessories. The possibilities are endless. This kit lets you spell out names, phrases, or words. It's a fun way to practice your spelling skills while being creative. You can make something truly your own. Beading is a great way to improve hand-eye coordination. It also encourages self-expression while having fun. It's a creative and educational activity. The kit includes elastic cord, alphabet beads, neon beads, and various other components. It also comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Everything is included to get you started. What we like. This kit is packed with over 1,000 beads and charms, perfect for creating personalized accessories. It includes alphabet beads, allowing you to spell out names or phrases. If you're looking to improve fine motor skills while having fun, this is the ideal choice. You can create unique jewelry and keychains, making it a great option for those who love to express themselves creatively. What people say. The kit came with a great variety of colorful beads, including letter beads, which let us spell out names, fun words, and little messages. The string is strong but stretchy, and the beads slide on smoothly without frustration. It has tons of beads with a lot of variety. Kids are able to make jewelry to the size they need and are a great size to handle. Also comes with case to keep beads in and organized. Colors are bright and vibrant that all kids wants. Number 4. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This kit is a must-have for any jewelry making enthusiast. It includes everything you need to create beautiful bracelets and more. You'll find a wide variety of colorful beads and charms inside. With 24 bright colors, the possibilities are endless. You can mix and match the beads to create unique designs. It's easy to make a charm bracelet, necklace, or earrings with this kit. The beads are made of polymer clay, ensuring durability and comfort. They are lightweight and won't fade easily. You can wear them to the beach or pool without worry. Perfect for DIY crafts like jewelry making, bracelets, and more. It's an ideal gift for girls of all ages. You can add some decorations for your daughter, granddaughter, sister, or besties. Surprise your girls with this trendy kit. It enhances their crafting skills and encourages self-expression. It's an excellent gift for crafts projects and parties. We strictly control the quality of the beads to ensure you receive perfect products. We appreciate all bracelet making crafts enthusiasts. What we like. This kit offers a vast array of vibrant clay beads in 24 colors, perfect for colorful DIY projects. The beads are made of premium, durable polymer clay, ensuring they are safe and comfortable to wear. If you are looking for a gift that encourages creativity and self-expression, this kit is perfect for making bracelets, necklaces, and more. What people say. With 24 different colors of flat preppy beads, the possibilities for creating unique and personalized friendship bracelets seemed endless. The kit also provides durable elastic strings that are simple to knot, ensuring that the bracelets can withstand daily wear and tear without falling apart. The storage box features individual compartments for each color and type of bead, which not only keeps everything neatly arranged but also makes it easy to find the exact components needed for a specific design. Number 3. Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This amazing kit includes everything you need to create beautiful bracelets and jewelry. It comes with thousands of colorful clay beads and charms. It's perfect for sparking imagination and having fun. Inside, you'll find about 4,600 flat polymer clay beads, 500 charms, stretchy strings, and more. This complete set meets all your jewelry making needs. It's a fantastic way to design unique pieces. The clay beads are made from soft, eco-friendly polymer clay. They are safe for everyday wear and won't fade easily. All the materials are completely safe and kid-friendly. Parents can join their children in designing bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's a great way to spend quality time and encourage creativity. This kit offers hours of fun, a much better alternative to screen time. This bracelet making kit makes a wonderful gift for kids and adults. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special day. It's a fun way to express creativity and make unique friendship bracelets. We are committed to your complete satisfaction. If you have any issues with the beads, please contact us. We promise to provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Thank you for supporting our brand. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start making bracelets, including a variety of clay beads and charms. The materials are safe and kid-friendly, making it a great choice for young crafters. If you want a fun activity that encourages creativity and keeps kids engaged, this kit will be a hit. What people say. They also come with extra charms too and a few tools to use like scissors, string, and a holder to help put the beads on. With a huge variety of colorful clay beads, charms, and accessories, this kit offers endless possibilities for making bracelets, necklaces, and keychains. The beads are lightweight, durable, and smooth, making them comfortable to wear. Number 2. Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Making Kit for Girls. Introducing the Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Making Kit. This delightful set comes in a beautiful gift box, packed with everything your little one needs to create stunning jewelry. It's the perfect gift for any girl who loves to express her unique style. Inside, you'll find 4 snake bracelet chains, a variety of colorful charm beads, metal beads, and pendant beads. Plus, there are 5 string necklaces. The kit includes easy-to-follow instructions, so she can start designing right away. No tools or glue are needed. The beads are designed to be easily interchanged. She can mix and match the beads to create bracelets that match her outfits or moods. It's a fun and creative activity for girls. The bracelets are adjustable, with a total length of 23 centimeters. There's also a 5 centimeters extension chain for a flexible fit. It's designed to fit most girls comfortably, allowing them to wear their creations with pride. This kit is a fantastic gift for girls aged 5 to 12. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity and watch her imagination soar. What we like. This kit comes in a beautiful gift box, making it perfect for gifting. The bracelets are easy to make, with no tools or glue required. If you are looking for a gift that is easy to customize and wear, this kit is perfect. The adjustable bracelet ensures a comfortable fit for most girls. What people say. It's a wonderful opportunity for girls to express their personalities through their creations, choosing from an array of charms that range from cute animals to shiny stars, all of which can be mixed and matched to create pieces that truly represent their unique styles. I like how there are 4 lobster claw bracelets and enough beads to make a number of cool pieces. Huge variety of charms, with lots of themes like rainbows, animals, hearts, space, etc. So themed bracelets can be created. Number 1. Flasoo 85 PC's Charm Bracelets DIY Kit. This Flasoo kit is perfect for anyone who loves to create. It comes with everything you need to design your own unique charm bracelets. It's a fun and engaging activity. Inside, you'll find 5 snake chain bracelets, along with a variety of beads. There are metal spacer beads, beads with dangles, rainbow beads, and even glass beads. It's a complete package. The kit arrives in a beautiful pink gift box, making it an ideal present. The box style is randomly selected, adding a touch of surprise. It's ready to give to someone who enjoys DIY projects. With this kit, you can create bracelets, keychains, or anklets. The charms include stars, hearts, rainbows, and more. You can mix and match to express your personal style. The bracelets are easy to use, allowing you to change the beads daily. Simply unscrew the end cap, add the beads, and screw it back on. No tools are required, making it simple to personalize. Create stylish bracelets for any occasion and mood. Enjoy making handmade jewelry or give them as gifts to friends and family. It's a meaningful way to share your best wishes. What we like. This kit offers great value with a variety of beads and charms. The bracelets are easy to assemble, allowing for quick customization. If you enjoy creating meaningful handmade crafts and want to give them as gifts, this kit is an excellent choice. You can easily create stylish bracelets for any occasion. What people say. It was easy to do and lots of cute charms to choose from. It comes with 5 bracelets that screw together and tons of beads you can use to create a look. There are a good variety of charms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.